16 awesome Marvel gadgets that you can actually buy. Are you a Marvel fan who wants to bring some superhero tech into your everyday life? Stay at the forefront of technology with Best Cool Tech. Remember to hit the like and subscribe button so you never miss out on the newest and most advanced tech trends. Number 16. Thanos Glove. Feeling the power of the Mad Titan has never been easier than with the Thanos Glove, one of the most awesome Marvel gadgets that you can actually buy. Whether you're a die-hard Marvel fan or just love unique and eye-catching accessories, this glove is sure to turn heads. With its incredible attention to detail and movie-accurate design, you'll feel like you're wielding the power of all 6 Infinity Stones in the palm of your hand. Made with high-quality materials and durability, the Thanos Glove is available for purchase on Amazon and AliExpress, making it accessible to fans all over the world. So why wait? Unleash your inner villain and bring the excitement of the Marvel Cinematic Universe to your fingertips with this epic gadget. Get yours now and let your imagination run wild with the power of the Infinity Stones. Number 15. Black Panther Helm. Behold the mighty Black Panther Helm, a cutting-edge Marvel gadget that brings the power of Wakanda to your fingertips. Designed with intricate details to resemble the iconic helmet worn by King T'Challa, this helmet is not just a collector's item, but a functional piece of technology. Made from high-quality materials, it features an adjustable fit and glowing LED eyes, allowing you to channel the strength and agility of the Black Panther. Whether you're cosplaying at a convention or simply displaying it in your home, this helmet is sure to turn heads and spark conversations. And the best part? You can actually buy it on Amazon and AliExpress, making it accessible to fans around the world. Embrace the spirit of Wakanda and level up your superhero game with the Black Panther Helm today. Number 14. Black Panther Claws. Unleash the power of the Black Panther with these sleek and formidable Black Panther claws. Inspired by the iconic Marvel character, these claws are not just for show. Made with high-quality materials, these claws are designed to be durable and comfortable to wear. With their retractable feature, you can extend them with the simple flick of your wrist, just like the Black Panther himself. These Black Panther claws are a must-have for your collection. Available on Amazon and AliExpress, you can now channel your inner Wakandan warrior and add a touch of superhero awesomeness to your everyday life. Get yours now and join the ranks of the Black Panther. Wakanda forever! Number 13. Ragnarok Hulk Out Mask. Are you ready to unleash your inner Hulk? With the Ragnarok Hulk Out Mask, you can transform into the iconic Marvel character in a snap. This awesome gadget lets you Hulk out with its realistic design and special effects that bring the green behemoth to life. The mask features a mouthpiece that activates Hulk's roaring sound effects. With its adjustable straps, it fits comfortably on most head sizes, making it perfect for both kids and adults. Whether you're gearing up for a costume party or simply want to have some superhero fun, the Ragnarok Hulk Out Mask is a must-have accessory. Get yours today on Amazon or AliExpress and prepare to smash through any obstacle that comes your way. Number 12. Hulk Hands. Introducing the ultimate superhero accessory, Hulk Hands. These incredible gloves are designed to look and feel just like the famous green fists of the Hulk, allowing you to channel your inner superhero and smash through anything in your way. These amazing gadgets are not just for kids, adults can join in on the fun too. Hulk Hands are the perfect choice. And the best part? You don't have to travel to Asgard to get your hands on a pair of these incredible gloves. You can buy them right now on Amazon and AliExpress. So what are you waiting for? Get ready to Hulk smash your way through any obstacle and show off your superhero strength with these awesome Marvel gadgets. Don't wait any longer. Order your Hulk Hands today and let the fun begin. Number 11. Spider-Man Gloves. Have you ever dreamed of swinging through the city like Spider-Man? Well, now you can at least have the gloves. Yes, you read that right. These Spider-Man gloves are not just for show, but they actually work. Made with high-quality materials, these gloves are designed to enhance your grip and allow you to stick to surfaces just like Spider-Man. They come with realistic web shooters that shoot harmless webs and make for an exciting addition to your superhero costume. These gloves are perfect for cosplay, Halloween, or just for fun. But the best part? You can actually buy them on Amazon and AliExpress. These gloves make for an amazing gift for any Spider-Man fan, young or old. And don't worry about the quality, these gloves are made to last and withstand all your superhero activities. So what are you waiting for? Add these Spider-Man gloves to your collection today and take your love for the web-slinging hero to the next level. Number 10. Spider-Man Wing Set. The Spider-Man Wing Set. This incredible gadget will give you the ability to spread your wings and take flight just like your favorite web-slinging hero. The Spider-Man Wing Set is one of the coolest Marvel gadgets on the market, and it's available right now on Amazon and AliExpress. This amazing product includes 2 wings that attach to your arms with adjustable straps, giving you the power to glide through the air with ease. But that's not all. You'll truly feel like a superhero as you soar through the city with your glowing wings on full display. The Spider-Man Wing Set is the perfect gadget for you. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to become the superhero you've always wanted to be. Order yours today and start spreading your wings. Number 9. Spider-Man Mask. Are you a huge fan of Spider-Man and always wish to don his iconic mask? Well, now you can with this awesome Spider-Man mask that you can actually buy. This mask is not only perfect for cosplay or Halloween, but also a great addition to any Marvel fan's collection. This mask is made of high-quality materials and features the classic red and blue design with white lenses that cover the eyes. It also has adjustable straps for a comfortable and secure fit on any head size. Whether you want to swing through the city or just impress your friends, this Spider-Man mask is sure to do the trick. But that's not all. In addition to the Spider-Man mask, there are many other amazing Marvel gadgets available on Amazon and AliExpress that you can buy. From Iron Man's arc reactor to Captain America's shield. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and buy the Spider-Man mask and other Marvel gadgets to complete your superhero collection. Trust us, your inner superhero will thank you for it. Number 8. Iron Man Helmet. Introducing the Iron Man Helmet, a must-have collectible for every Marvel enthusiast out there. With its sleek and futuristic design, this helmet is sure to catch the eye of anyone who sees it. And the best part? You can actually buy it on Amazon and AliExpress. Imagine putting on this helmet and feeling like Tony Stark himself, ready to take on any challenge that comes your way. But this isn't just a decorative piece, it's a fully functional helmet with LED lights and sound effects that will transport you straight into the world of Iron Man. You'll be able to hear Jarvis guiding you through your missions and feel the power of your suit coursing through your veins. So what are you waiting for? Add the Iron Man helmet to your collection today and become part of the Marvel Universe like never before. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to own a piece of cinematic history. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay up to date with all the amazing gadgets featured on Best Cool Tech. Number 7. Iron Man Hand. Are you tired of feeling like a mere mortal in a world full of superheroes? Well, fear not, because with the Iron Man Hand gadget, you too can feel like a high-tech hero from the Marvel Universe. This amazing gadget is not just a mere toy, it's a fully functional device that allows you to shoot foam darts and other projectiles just like Tony Stark himself. The Iron Man Hand gadget is one of the coolest Marvel-inspired toys available on the market today. Whether you're a hardcore fan of the Iron Man movies or just love all things tech, this gadget is guaranteed to make you feel like a true superhero. The gadget is designed with an ergonomic grip, making it comfortable to hold. And the best part? You can actually buy this awesome gadget on both Amazon and AliExpress. So what are you waiting for? Add this incredible gadget to your collection and become the envy of all your friends. Whether you're looking to impress your coworkers with some office shenanigans or want to show off at your next cosplay event, the Iron Man Hand gadget is the perfect accessory for any occasion. Don't wait any longer. Grab yours today and start living out your superhero dreams. Number 6. Playmation Repulsor. Have you ever wished that you could have superpowers like Iron Man? Well, now you can with the Playmation Repulsor. This incredible gadget allows you to bring the power of the Marvel Universe into your own hands. With the Playmation Repulsor, you can take part in exciting adventures and battles, just like your favorite Marvel superheroes. The device is equipped with motion sensors and Bluetooth connectivity, so you can control the action and interact with other Playmation devices. You can shoot projectiles, activate special powers, and even use voice commands to control the action. But that's not all. The Playmation Repulsor is also incredibly fun to use. Whether you're battling against imaginary foes or competing with friends in real-life games, this gadget is sure to provide hours of entertainment. And best of all, it's available to buy on Amazon and AliExpress, so you can start your own Marvel adventure today. So what are you waiting for? If you're a Marvel fan or just someone who loves cool gadgets, the Playmation Repulsor is a must-have. Don't miss out on the chance to win one of the most exciting and innovative toys of the year. Order yours now and get ready to unleash your inner superhero. Number 5. Thor Hammer. Attention Marvel fans! Are you ready to wield the power of Thor's mighty hammer, Mjolnir? Well, you're in luck because now you can get your hands on one of the most iconic gadgets in the Marvel Universe. That's right, I'm talking about the Thor Hammer, a weapon of epic proportions that's been featured in countless Marvel movies and comics. But here's the best part. You don't have to be the God of Thunder to wield this impressive gadget. Thanks to the power of technology, you can now have your very own Thor Hammer replica. And the best part, you can now find them on Amazon and AliExpress. These Thor Hammer replicas are not just any ordinary toys. They're made of high-quality materials that give them a realistic look and feel. From the intricate details etched into the hammer's surface to its weight and balance, these replicas will make you feel like a true hero. Whether you're a die-hard Marvel fan or just someone who appreciates cool gadgets, this is one purchase you won't regret. With the Thor Hammer in your hands, you'll feel unstoppable and ready to take on any challenge that comes your way. Number 4. Captain America Helmet. Avengers Assemble! Are you ready to add some superhero flair to your life? Look no further than the Captain America helmet, a must-have for any die-hard Marvel fan. This iconic piece of headgear will make you feel like a true hero, ready to defend justice and protect the innocent. Not only is this helmet a great addition to your cosplay ensemble, but it also makes a perfect display item or collectible. The high-quality design and attention to detail will leave any fan in awe. Made with durable materials, this helmet is both comfortable and sturdy, ensuring you can wear it for hours on end. And the best part? You can actually buy this awesome gadget on Amazon and AliExpress. Whether you're looking to complete your Captain America costume or simply want to display your love for the Marvel Universe, this helmet is the perfect choice. So what are you waiting for? Order your very own Captain America helmet today and become the hero you've always dreamed of being. With this iconic piece of gear, you'll be ready to take on any challenge that comes your way. Number 3. Marvel Falcon's Flyer. Are you ready to take your superhero fandom to the next level? Look no further than the Marvel Falcon's Flyer. This amazing gadget is the perfect addition to any Marvel fan's collection. Modeled after Sam Wilson's iconic jetpack from the comics and movies, the Falcon's Flyer is a drone that will make you feel like you're soaring through the skies just like Falcon himself. But this isn't just any ordinary drone. The Falcon's Flyer comes equipped with advanced features such as a 1080p HD camera, built-in GPS, and real-time transmission to your smartphone. You'll be able to capture stunning aerial footage and share it with your friends and family, all while feeling like a true superhero. And the best part? You can actually buy this incredible gadget on both Amazon and AliExpress. So what are you waiting for? Add the Marvel Falcon's Flyer to your cart today and experience the thrill of flying like a superhero. Don't miss out on this awesome opportunity to enhance your Marvel collection with a truly unique and exciting gadget. Number 2. Star-Lord Electronic Helmet. Are you ready to take on the galaxy and become a member of the Guardians of the Galaxy? Well, look no further because the Star-Lord Electronic Helmet is here and ready for action. This helmet is a must-have for any Marvel enthusiast. It features premium sculpting and intricate detailing, making it a perfect replica of the iconic helmet worn by Peter Quill, also known as Star-Lord. With its electronic lights and sound effects, you can truly feel like a spacefaring hero. The helmet is adjustable to fit most head sizes, so even adults can indulge in the fun. Not only is the Star-Lord electronic helmet an amazing collector's item, but it's also an excellent addition to any cosplay or Halloween costume. You can even use it to create amazing photos or videos for social media. And the best part? You can purchase this incredible gadget on Amazon and AliExpress. Don't miss out on this opportunity to become the legendary outlaw of the galaxy. Order yours today and embark on an adventure like no other with the Star-Lord electronic helmet. Number 1. Iron Man Cool Costumes. Have you ever wished that you could don the iconic red and gold armor of Iron Man and save the world from evil? While that might not be possible, you can still get your hands on some awesome Iron Man gadgets that will make you feel like a superhero. These gadgets not only look cool, but are also practical and functional. One of the most popular Iron Man gadgets is the Reactor. This device powers Tony Stark's suit in the movies. Another cool gadget is the Iron Man helmet. While you can't fly with it, you can still wear it and feel like a hero. Some of these helmets come with voice-changing technology, allowing you to sound like Tony Stark himself. It's the perfect addition to any cosplay or Iron Man-themed party. And for those who love a good drone, there's the Iron Man drone. This flying machine is modeled after the Mark III suit and comes with a remote control. You can fly it indoors or outdoors and perform aerial stunts. It's the perfect gift for any Marvel fan or drone enthusiast. All of these Iron Man gadgets are available on Amazon and AliExpress, so you can easily get your hands on them. So why not indulge your inner superhero and add some Iron Man flair to your life? Upgrade your superhero game with Marvel gadgets. Compare Captain America helmet and Hulk hands now and subscribe to Best Cool Tech for more awesome tech updates.